Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Nurjulyana binti Jaafar. My metric number 262924. I'm from final year student. Alright, my supervisor name is Dr. Nurjulyana binti Nurdin. My final year project is the factor of obesity among a student in UUM during pandemic COVID-19. Alright, firstly we go to introduction. Definition of obesity. Obesity is a multi-phase chronic disease that the result from a genetic and environment interplay. Next, obesity is complicated by social, behavior, culture, psychological, metabolic and genetic factor. And our understanding of how and why the develop is still insufficient. Alright, next we go to the definition of pandemic COVID-19. Okay, pandemic COVID-19 was defined as a novel coronavirus related to SARS-CoV after the genome analysis and was dubbed severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus. Okay, we go to the first problem statement. Okay, first is a coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19 pandemic. The problem statement. Okay, the next, the number of obesity in Malaysia is increased during pandemic COVID-19. Alright, and the last, the factor that causes an individual to suffer from obesity. This is related with student during pandemic COVID-19. Alright, next we go to the main objective for this project. Okay, first to determine the factor of obesity among a student during pandemic COVID-19. Okay, next to determine how to reduce the obesity as a student during pandemic COVID-19. And the last one to determine the awareness of obesity toward a student in UUM during pandemic COVID-19. Okay, next we go to the research method. My research use a qualitative approach. That is interview of 5 respondents. My question in my interview such as how much do you know about obesity to improve their knowledge. Okay, next the factor of obesity among a student during pandemic COVID-19. Third, if you were one of the students suffering from obesity, what will you do? I mean that's how they reduce the obesity. Okay, and the last one is what do you do to realize to avoid healthy problem, means the awareness as a student. Alright, now we go to the result. Alright, the result. This result I already summary from the 5 respondents. Okay, firstly, knowledge about obesity. Obesity can be defined as an overweight body. It can be measured through BMI measurement where over 25 is considered overweight. Alright, we go to the factor. So I choose this factor. The main factor, the most of the answer from the respondent. Okay, firstly, not enough sleep, and secondly, unhealthy diet, and the last one, cannot doing exercise. Alright, next, how to reduce the obesity. Alright, firstly, do healthy diet, enough sleep, and do exercise. Some exercise to improve their antibody. Alright, and the last one, the awareness. Okay, first they join the program, such as you involve yourself, join the program about a healthy care, and then keep diet style, eat protein, vegetables. Alright, and the last one for the awareness is lifestyle healthy care, means always do exercise, jogging. Okay, last, the conclusion. In conclusion, many students has been obese since the COVID-19 outbreak occurred. This is because many of them have to change their daily routine to consist of exercise and rest. The reason why the student cannot do that is because the COVID-19 outbreak. Some of them were getting stressed about the university matter that lead to depressed and unhealthy food intake. Alright, I hope you enjoy my presentation. Thank you so much.